Welcome to our channel. In this video we will show you how you can change your photo background in one click on Adobe Photoshop app. Let's start. Download the official app from link in description. Once you download and install the app, the interface will look like this. You can add various different lenses and effects for background. Choose different lenses for unique effects. We will apply a lens and show you how you can do it. The edit will be done automatically by the app and you will get awesome animation videos and photos. Make sure the photo that you select has sky in it. Select perfect lens for the photo. Some of them are animated and some are only plain backgrounds. You can move the objects in the animation, like moon, rocket, balloon. There is Auto Edit button in the app. Whenever you open a photo in app, it will automatically edit the photo. If you want manual editing, change the shadow, highlight, clarity, vibrance, exposure, contrast, whites, blacks and saturation. All the photo don't need animation. Some of the photo look best even with simple backgrounds. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for latest video updates. Share the video with your friends if you love our editing tricks.